warm welcome to you. Super glad you made it here. My name is Nico and I guide you out of your head, back into your body and your heart, so you can experience more love for yourself, presence in the moment, and aliveness in connections with yourself, with others, with life in general. Together we're gonna experience what Tantra is all about and see how somatic coaching can bring you back into a felt sense of clarity. Because in today's world it's very easy to get lost in the never-ending to-do lists, in the doom scrolling of social media, in the planning ahead into a future which is actually not there yet, or being stuck in the past of the patterns that are pulling us down, of the stories that we feel identified by, and ultimately keeping us away from this present moment. My mission is to create containers where your body can ground down, where your mind can relax, where we can come back home into our hearts. I would love to invite you into tantric containers where we regulate the nervous system through the breath, where we let movement bring us back into our bodies and into the feeling of ourselves, and softness guide us into sensuality. I commit to bring the love and excitement that I have for Tantra into my workshops and into my coaching. If you're feeling the call that you want to experience Tantra in a community setting, in a group, feel free to check out my workshops. If you are a beginner, I would recommend to see the What is Tantra beginner workshop. If you want to work on a topic more private, more personal, I'd be more than happy to hear you in a discovery call, 20 minutes, and it's for free. You can feel into how I am facilitating, who I am, and how we can work together, see what the next steps can be. Whatever you choose, welcome to this container and have a look around. I wish you an amazing day and hopefully a healthy time. Ciao.